My name is Dillon Evans. I'm a supervisor of the metering department in customer service. I'm originally from Baldwintown. I went to CCC in high school in Cayman. After there, I started working at CUC when I was around 19, 18 years old. I've been currently at CUC about 25, going on 25 years now. In my tenure, I started off as a unit operator, and then from there I moved up to control operator in a few years. After that, I was approached by our old safety manager back in the days and asked if I would like to go off to college, and they recommended me to go to school. So I thought about it, went ahead and applied to school, and I went away to Texas Tech, which is in Waco, Texas. I did 2 years in Waco. I did 2 degrees at the same time. So I did industrial management, engineering, and facility management. So when I originally went to school, I used to work shift work with CUC, so I had to put a lot of hours in, nights, weekends. And by going away to school, this got me a chance to move away from that career and go into like a normal steady job of 8 to 5 with more responsibilities and further expansions. So when I came back from school, I ended up being promoted to auxiliary supervisor, and in that role I would take care of all the fuel, lube oil for the plant, and all the auxiliary equipment. In that time, I was also promoted to basically a senior supervisor within the operations department, so I ran all the control room as well as my duties with the auxiliaries. I did that for a good 10 years, and then I decided I wanted to change. So about 6 years ago, I actually applied to customer service to take over their metering department, and where there I have been in the role for 6 years of dealing with all the meters in CUC, as well as any customer service related issues or energy audits and so forth, like stuff like that. I'm currently on the EPC committee, which is the Energy Preparedness Committee. I am also on the Fire Brigade. I have been on those committees off and on for the past 6-7 years. In the next 3 to 5 years, I'm hoping maybe to move to transmission and distribution department. I've always been into the switching and the lines of CUC, so I would like to make a move over there. In the CUC customer service department, I personally help customers with energy audits. I also have run the crews that install meters, so myself, I help customers get their electricity back on for new apartments or new construction. I help them with their electricity usage and installations and get them up and running.